Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write an ebook step by step. First, open Claude AI and log in to your account. On the homepage, click on New Chat to start fresh. If you're not signed in, make sure to log in so you can generate longer content and save your work. Now comes the most important part, your prompt. You need to give clear instructions. For example, you can type, write a complete self-help ebook titled Master Your Mind. Start with an outline, then write 10 to 12 chapters with simple language, practical steps, and exercises. Once you send the prompt, Claude will begin generating your ebook. It may take some time for longer content. If the response stops in the middle, just type continue. As the content appears, quickly review it for clarity and flow. You can also ask Claude to edit or improve sections anytime. And that's it. Your full ebook will be ready and you can copy or download it for use.